Hello and welcome. Now in this video we are going to do a brief course overview and talk about the things that we will be discussing in order to get you started making money online quickly. Now in this course what we're going to be doing is we're going to be showing you the basics of making money online and to help you to earn money. And I might add that we're going to help you to earn it quickly. Now, these are not going to be difficult steps that you're going to have to take, but you are going to be able to take positive steps forward in order to create an income apart from anything else you're doing. You're going to be able to do this solely on the internet. Now, we will help you to overcome the barriers that typically overwhelm people when it comes to using the internet in order to make a profit. Typically, these things are technical. Sometimes they are things that you just don't really know where to start. We're going to help you to cut through all of that information overload in order to actually literally earn something that you will be able to see tangibly in your bank account or PayPal account or whatever you're using in terms of generating income. Now, we will also be showing you how to find something to sell. And you might be saying, I'd love to make money online. I'd love to produce an income. I have no idea what to sell. I don't really have anything to sell. We're going to show you how to find something to sell, even if you don't write anything, or you don't manufacture anything, or you don't write programs, or you don't really even have your own product. We're going to show you how to find something that you can sell in order to generate an income. Now, we're also going to show you how to take and make an offering to sell. So in other words, we're going to show you how to offer something to people online and to be able to find the people that are actually going to be interested. So you're going to be literally finding the people that are interested and then offering them what they've already, in some ways, expressed an interest in what they want. And we're going to show you how to find out who those interested people are. So in other words, if you want to sell to them a second time and a third time, I'm going to show you how to find some insight on knowing who those people are and what you can sell and market to them a second or third time. Now, we're going to be showing you how to get your offering in front of them. So you might have heard, or if you've been involved in making money online in any way, one of the things that baffles people to get started is, well, how do I get traffic? How do I get people to see what I'm doing? If I build it, will they come? And we're going to show you how to find those people and to get them to come to what you've built. Now, the other thing, you want to get into this course, and the most important thing is to follow along with action. Now, we're going to be outlining everything you need to know in order to make money quickly, but it's important for you to take the actions along with what we're showing you. Now, the steps that we're going to be taking, they're not going to be difficult steps. So we're cutting through all of the everything that would keep you in terms of a barrier, everything that would confuse you. We're going to eliminate a lot of confusion and kind of get you to do the necessary things to earn an income. Now, the things that we're going to be showing you, though, you must follow through on. So it's not enough just to watch the videos. It's not enough just to want to make money online. It's not even enough to buy other products and have discussion. The most important thing to this course is for you to follow through. And you're going to have to follow through consistently. So I would suggest that you set a specific time aside every day for the work that you're going to be doing, because again, once you figure out how to do this, you're going to be able to take what you've learned and to transfer it into other areas, and you're going to be able to repeat what you're doing over and over again until you've basically created enough income streams where, look, you'll be able to then start setting goals about what it is that you want to do with your income. And that part is probably going to be exciting to you. Now, what you want to do also is to resist information overload, and you do that by doing the work. So in other words, you're going to have a lot of information coming at you. You probably are on a number of email marketing lists. You might be reading a number of blogs. You might be trying to figure out things that you need to be doing and things that you need to be buying. Well, how do you resist buying new products, or how do you resist reading new instructions and taking new paths? One of the ways that you do that is following the steps and actually doing the work. The more that you start doing the work that we are presenting to you in this video and in this course, you are going to be able to focus, and then you'll know what things that you'll need in order to buy. You'll know what things that you'll need in order to build an online business. So the most important, one of the most important factors in this course is that you resist information overload by actually doing the work. The more time that you spend working, the more time of the time that you set aside for these projects that you actually spend doing the work, the less time you'll have to be inundated with other information that'll confuse you and sometimes even distract you. And speaking of distraction, one of the things that will help you to decrease the amount of distractions that you have is to set an achievable goal with this program. Maybe your goal is to make a certain dollar amount. Maybe your goal is to make one sale. So you're not going to stop. You're going to focus on what the tasks are until you generate your first sale, and then you'll set another goal. So you resist distraction by focusing on an achievable goal. So one of the things you want to do with this course is right now set an achievable goal. What do you want to make? What do you want to happen when you start making money online? If you have not made a dime online, one great goal to set is to earn your first sale. If you've already made a couple of sales, then set a dollar amount that maybe you want to be able to do. Make sure it's achievable. Make sure it's something that's in line with what you've already done. I mean, don't set a goal necessarily to make $1 million next month. That's not the kind of goal that you want to set. You want to set a realistic goal based on the things that you have done and something that you'll reach for, and that by reaching for it, you will literally keep yourself from being distracted by other things. It'll keep you from actually focusing on the task at hand. So now the course is going to go in order. So you don't, I would suggest that until you understand what is being taught, don't skip around in terms of the videos. Even if you have been over this material before, these videos do proceed in sequence. And yes, you might actually have had some of the instruction before, but it's important to understand things from this perspective. We're going to be showing you screencast videos and over-the-shoulder videos. We're also going to be showing you and telling you why some of the things that we're sharing with you actually work. And you're going to be able to follow this course, but you don't want to assume that you know all the steps. The first time through, just make sure that you understand exactly what we're saying and walk through the video with us. And as a reminder, you are going to have to take consistent action to see results. One of the most important things that you're going to do, and we've said this and alluded to this, but you're not going to be able to maybe take a few steps one week and then take a few steps the next week and then decide on whether or not this program will work for you. If you give it consistent effort, taking consistent action, that is where you're going to see progress. That's where you're going to see yourself moving forward. That's where you're going to see yourself accomplishing your goals and making things happen. So again, this program requires that you take consistent action in order to see results. Now, as we move on into the first video, we are going to be showing you again everything you need to know to generate an income stream quickly online. So with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.